Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. New air gun day, or pellet gun day. As a lot of you know, I've gotten back into pellet guns. Not into modding yet. I still got to get a machine shop back together and then I can start doing that stuff again. Just no custom grips. Anyway, so I ordered this from Airgun Source. I didn't want to put anything in the title of what this is, because this way it's a surprise for you guys. But I do have 3 air guns I recently bought, and I needed another one. Okay, I wanted one, but I needed one. So I thought, why not get myself a new 2240. I had a few of these a while back, and I gotten rid of them because I got out of air guns, right? And how did I know I was going to get back in? But I love the 2240, and I still have a set of custom grips of mine that are the last set in existence that I have, that I made a few years back. So, oh. Nice. I only ordered a gun. Looks like they sent me trail marker camo hat. That's sick. Alright. We'll take the tag off later. On the head it goes. Well, I guess we're going to have to adjust it. Alright, let's take this off. That is... There's more in here too. This is really awesome. That's cool. And I love camo. It's one of my favorite colors. And, oh, we got some pellets. That's cool. Invoice. Nice. And a note. It says, let me get this stuff out of the way. It says, "Good day, Kevin. Have some free stuff." Awesome. Thank you so much. It's nice to see orders come in from an area where most of my family lives. Kurt. Oh, cool. And he gave me his regular email address. I'm going to have to email him and thank him for this stuff. But also on camera, if you're watching, Kurt, thank you so much. This is so cool. I got ammo. More ammo. We got Prometheus pellets. I have... Ooh, 20. Oh, hey, these aren't like the Prometheus pellets that I used to have. That is a sick little pellet, man. That's neat. That's cool. I gotta weigh these. Where's my scale? Yeah, I'm curious. It doesn't say on the container lid. Well, if it does, I can't read it anyway, because... Alright, come on. 8.7 grain. That's not too shabby. I like that. That's... Whoop, now we got a mess. They want to go shooting. They're coming out of the box already. So, on the lid it says, black box. There should be 100 rounds in here. Well, that's cool. And they're 22 cal. Made in England. And we have these other ones called long range missile. Lead free, 22 caliber, 125 count. So there's 125. And these are like 7 grain. Wow. Yeah, that looks like a missile, alright. Great for rifles, for sure. I wonder if that'll fit the 2240. We'll have to check. Let's see if I can get this to stand up. Well, here. There we go. Yeah, that kind of looks like a bit of a missile, doesn't it? That's cool. Wow. Thanks again, Kurt. That is so awesome of you. Thank you so much for the hat, the pellets. Fast service too, guys. Great stuff. He's got really awesome prices. Even the 2240 was only, I think it was like 80 bucks. Actually, my invoice will tell me for sure. 80 bucks, 79.99 Canadian. So that's pretty good. And I paid the extra for the express post. which is cool. And so that's all right. So, and I already have a whack load of CO2 gas that I bought the other day. I was actually in town and I got a massive pile of CO2 gas sitting around here, so that's awesome. Okay, let's cut open the box. Gotta watch it with razor knives. Okay, guess I gotta dig a little deeper. There we go. So as you guys know, the 2240 is like the world's most moddable pellet pistol out there. And these things run about 460 feet per second out of the box. And they are great guns. Okay, let's just check this. I'm not going to close the breech though, because there's no gas in this thing. Oh yeah, that'll just sneak in there. You gotta kind of go point in first, but they'll just fit. That'll be cool shooting them out of this thing. So so there's our 2240. This has got, of course, Craftsman changed their triggers to these newer style triggers that are more comfy too. Newer setup on the grip frame as well, a little bit. Nice though. Still going traditional grips. The 1322s now have a different style grip, eh? Very similar but different. So, but yeah, we'll have to do some shooting tests with this thing and see how she goes outside, and that's awesome. So anyways, that's my air gun unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned for some shooting. Probably just fire this thing out at my pellet trap that I have that you knock down the animals with. I'm not going to try grouping shots from 10 meters, at least not with iron sights anyhow. I'm really awesome with a rifle, but you know, pistol, it's kind of like, and it is open sights with a small pistol, so that's cool though. I really missed 2240s, and I can't wait to start getting this thing all dressed up and doing a few mods to her. So you never know, maybe my wife will buy herself one if she likes shooting this one a bit. So that, or she'll just steal it on me. You never know, right? Okay guys, a little fancy editing there. I rechecked these after just for giggles, because I'm like 7 grain, and so, you know, I guess my machine was weird, but these little missiles, even though the package, the lid is marked 7 grain, these are weighing in at 16.2 to about 16 and a half. Yeah, 16.3. So they're actually a little bit heavier than I originally told you guys. So something there. But anyways, so they're a little over 16 grain. Anyways, back to the rest of me, and you know. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. I got some more stuff to show you guys in the next little bit. So in the meantime, if you're an air gunner, happy shooting. If you're an RCer, happy RCing. And we got more of that stuff too for the RC fans as well. So stay tuned. Catch you later.